After the worksheet, we're going to ask each other some questions. Just 1 second, okay? Ranim.
Yes.
What do you want to tell me about birds?
Birds have a beak, not teeth,
Close this door, please.
and they don't have fur. They have feathers.
They don't have fur, they have feathers, bravo.
And they have 2 legs.
They have legs to fly, right? Or legs to walk?
Yeah, and they get legs to walk.
Okay, we're going to start. Hands down. Noor, only if you have a question before I start. If you don't have a question, then just wait, please, okay? This is the first page in the worksheet. You can find it in your science book, okay? You can find it in your science book, page 64. If you didn't solve it, let's solve it now together. I'm going to ask Noor Hassan. Is this animal a bird?
Yeah.
This animal is a bird. What is the name of the bird?
This one,
Yes.
duck.
A dog. Why you said yes? Why is this animal a bird? Yes, Karim.
Ducks are birds.
Yes, ducks are birds. Noor, why did you say yes? How did we know that this is a bird?
Because the bird have feather and the duck has feather, and the bird eats from the beak and the duck
They eat using their beak, so fine. This is a duck. Duck is a bird, Karim and everyone. How did we know?
Maybe
because it has feathers and a beak. Because it has feathers and a beak. Ali Jawad, any question?
Miss, I want to tell you something. I not have this page.
You don't have this page in your science book?
Yes, this
Okay.
6 and 4. I have just not.
Okay, maybe it's a different book or something. Hussein, just pay attention. Just let's pay attention, okay? Here I'm going to ask Nurhan. This map is about birds. Birds, they live on? They live on what?
Land or no?
Yes, they live on land and breathe with?
Breathe
With gills?
no.
With what?
With
lungs.
non.
Leen Salman, the body of the birds or their body is covered with?
Yes.
Their body is covered with?
Feathers.
Feathers, bravo.
Feathers.
Lamar, they have to walk. What do they have to walk? Or what helps the bird to walk? Lamar.
Yes, miss.
They have to walk. What do they have to walk?
Which?
The birds. They have legs to walk. And what do they have to fly?
Wings.
Wings. They have wings to fly. Now we're going to label this bird body part. I'm going to ask Karim to label it. Karim, can you label the body part of this bird?
Label?
Yes.
The beak, its mouth.
Okay, the beak. Then this one is what?
Which one?
I'll circle it. Just wait. This one. What's this?
It's the wing.
Bravo. And this?
Which the leg.
And this?
The tail.
The tail. Excellent. So I'm going to say them. Here we have the beak, the wing, the leg, and the tail. I'm going to repeat one more time before I start asking. The first page, I'm going to ask Ali Jawad. Is this animal a bird?
Bird.
Yes.
Yes.
This animal.
Yes.
How did you know that this animal is a bird?
Because this animal have a beak and don't have fur.
Bravo. It has feathers and a beak. Make sure that you solve it in your science book, page 64, okay?
Yes.
Now this one, I'm going to ask Ali Isam Bazoon. It's about birds. They live
Yes.
on?
They live on land.
And breathe with?
Lungs.
Lungs. Saint Conso, their body is covered with?
Bird.
The bird's body is covered with feathers, Yahsen Conso. iPhone, I think it's Mahdi. Mahdi, they have what to walk?
It's Fatima.
Fatima. Okay, Fatima, birds. The birds have to walk. They have wings to walk.
They fly.
Or they have legs to walk and wings to fly.
They fly.
So they have legs to walk and wings to fly, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, now Ali Jafar. Label the bird's body part. What is this, Ali?
This beak.
And this?
This wing.
And this?
This leg.
And this, ya Ali?
Tail.
The
Yes.
tail. Excellent.
I can tell you something.
Yes, Ali, tell me.
Like the bird don't have teeth, but have.
No, birds have beak. They don't have teeth. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask 2 questions only, and then it's going to be your turn to ask your friends some questions. The first one to ask is going to be Abdul Halim. So I'm going to ask, Aline is here. Aline, do all birds fly?
No.
Can you give me one example of a bird that cannot fly?
Penguin or duck.
Penguin or a duck. Excellent. I want to ask Alice a question. Can a bird live in water? Alice, can a bird live in water?
Not all of birds.
No, birds cannot live in water. Why?
Because
They breathe with their lungs. Okay.
duck, like a duck.
Yes, but a duck cannot breathe underwater. It can swim, but it lives on land and it uses its lungs to breathe. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Jude Fawaz is here. Okay, Abdul Halim, you're going to ask Ranim a question. Abdul Halim and Ranim. Jude Fawaz, you're next.
How the birds breathe?
How do
They
birds
breathe with their lungs.
They breathe with their lungs. Abdul Halim, this is a very easy question. A very easy question. Think of something hard.
They want some hard.
Now listen, I will choose someone else now.
Live in water.
Can what?
Birds live in water.
Can birds
No.
breathe underwater?
No,
Why?
because they breathe with their lungs.
It's very hard. It's very hard. I know. Jude
No,
Fawaz,
it's not.
Yes.
you're going to ask Leen Salman a question.
Okay. How do the birds fly?
How do birds fly?
Using their wings. Well, that's an easy question.
I'm going to mute you, Ranim. They use their wings to fly. Excellent. Noor Hussein, you're going to ask Nurhan a question. About birds, of course, okay?
Okay. Birds from where eat.
How do birds eat?
How do birds eat? They eat with their.
Do they have teeth to eat or they use their beaks?
They use their beak.
Excellent. Karim is going to ask Muhammad Khalifa a question.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Karim is going to ask you a question. Karim. Karim. Okay. Ali Aysam Bazoon. You're going to ask Muhammad Khalifa a question.
Okay.
Can a flamingo fly?
No.
Ostrich. Miss,
Even
did you choose
ostrich.
me?
Yes, Ali Aysam Bazoon is asking Muhammad Khalifa. Ali Aysam asked you, can an ostrich fly? You said no. Correct.
Miss me, Karim. Did you
Yes,
ask
I
me?
chose you. Now, Aline will ask you a question, Karim.
Okay.
Yalla, Aline, a question about birds. Something hard.
Give to this. No.
Should I help you?
Is this animal? No.
You can ask any question.
Can ducks live in water?
Dogs?
Ducks. This is a duck.
No, they cannot.
Bravo.
They
Why?
can live
Why?
because they live on water and land. Because if
Because
they stay on water, they drown.
And because they use their lungs to breathe.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Abdul Halim, back to you again. You're going to ask Fatima Hijazi.
Okay.
Yes.
They lay eggs or get birds some worms.
So you mean how do birds make young, right?
Yes.
Okay. Fatima, how do birds make young?
Young?
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean?
How do they get babies?
They lay eggs or give birds? Birds.
They lay eggs.
Lay eggs.
They lay eggs. Birds lay eggs.
Who takes care of the babies?
Abdul Halim takes care of the babies, I think. Of course.
No,
they take care.
the bird.
I know.
I'm not the bird.
Yes, birds take care for their young. Okay. Ibrahim. Ibrahim.
Yes.
I want you to ask Noor Hussein a question.
Okay. Yeah. How birds breathe?
How do birds breathe?
From lungs.
Excellent. They use their lungs with lungs.
I have food for birds.
You have food for birds. You know that birds eat seeds.
Yeah.
Okay, who wants to ask? Who wants to ask? Raise your hand. Lin Salman. You can ask Hussein Khalifa. Lin Salman, you can ask Hussein Khalifa. Hussein Khalifa, press the unmute button, please.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay, listen. Lin, ask Ali Aysam Bazoum. Yeah.
Yes. How do birds teacher?
Lin is asking you a question. How do birds what?
How do birds walk and fly?
How do birds walk? How do birds walk and fly?
How do they fly? How do they fly with their
How do
wings?
they walk and how do they fly? They use their what to walk and fly?
They use their easy. They use their wings to fly, and they use their legs to walk.
Excellent. Now listen. I will tell you everything about birds now, and then I will give you the chance to ask more things. So listen to me so that you will know what you have to ask your friends. What you have to know about birds, birds are animals with no teeth. They have beaks instead. The feathers warm up the body of a bird and its wings allow it to fly. Birds breathe with their lungs. They differ from other animals. How do they differ from other animals? This is a nice question. They differ from all other animals in their wings, feathers, and beaks. You also have to know that birds eat seeds and they breathe with lungs. Their body is covered with feathers. They have legs to walk and wings to move. Any question about birds before we start asking? If you have a question, please press the unmute button.
Miss? No question. Miss?
One at a time.
Me. Teacher, I know. The quiz what?
The quiz is about birds. What I said now, it's coming in the quiz. If you understood everything, you are ready.
So we need to get like a paper and a pen. Teacher, I have a bird.
Who has a bird?
Me. The color is...
I wanted the bird one.
That's me. I have a lot of birds.
You have many birds, Ali?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss?
Yes, Lamar.
I have the bird yellow.
The bird ran away, Lamar?
No, it's here.
Ah, okay.
Show you?
Miss?
Okay, you can show us.
Miss?
Yes.
I also have a bird.
Now listen, Aline asked me what's coming in the quiz. The quiz is about birds. What I said now is coming in the quiz. If you understood, then it's very easy. If you have any question, please
when
let
are
me
we
know.
gonna learn another lesson?
Next week, as usual, 1 week a new lecture. The other week we have the worksheet, then a new lesson. Our new lesson is about mammals. It's a very nice lesson. We're going to learn about mammals. Our new lesson is about mammals. Yes, Lamar, your bird is very nice. Very nice. Jude, Fawaz, any question? Abdul Halim?
No. No question, understood.
You understood everything? Tell me everything about birds. Tell me what I've just said. Everything.
Everything. Okay. Birds don't have teeth. It has some beak, and it can fly.
Okay.
And it have legs, and it have feathers.
How they differ from other animals? Can you tell me? How do birds differ from other animals?
They have feathers and beaks.
And wings. You forgot the wings.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Wings.
Okay, great. Now, Jude, it's your turn. Tell me everything about birds.
They do not have teeth.
Okay. What do they have instead?
Beak. A beak.
Okay.
Not every bird can fly.
Excellent.
What also? Some birds can fly.
Okay. They use their wings, right?
Mm.
Excellent. Bravo.
What also?
Okay. So you all understood everything about birds, right?
Yes.
Okay, Aline.
Yes.
Aline, ask Ali Jawad a question.
Who, me?
Yes, me. But wait, Ali Jawad, press the unmute button, please.
Does the dog have beak?
Ali Jawad, Aline asked you. What did you ask? Does a duck has
a beak?
A beak?
Does the duck have a beak?
Yes, it has a beak. Yalla, Ali Jawad, answer. Yes, it does. Because all birds do not have teeth.
Yes. Yes.
Did you understand it, Ali?
Yes.
Okay, Alice, you're going to ask.
They didn't have teeth.
They don't have teeth. They have a beak instead. Alice, I want you to ask Ali Hussein Bazoun a question.
Yeah. Listen, don't solve.
Ali Hussein Bazoun, can you hear me? Ibrahim.
What?
Okay, Ali Hussein Bazoun, Alice is going to ask you a question.
Hello.
Listen.
Okay. What?
Yalla, Alice, go ahead.
How do birds move? What? How do birds move?
How do birds move or how do birds walk?
Fly.
They walk using their legs.
And wings.
And they fly using their wings.
Bye. Don't ask me.
I asked you, Ali. Okay, Ali Jafar, ask Leen Salman a question.
Do birds have teeth? No, they have beak instead of teeth.
Excellent. Okay. Hussein Khalifa, ask Noor Hussein a question.
Yes. What do birds have in the stand of teeth?
What?
We can't hear you, Hussein Khalifa.
Why?
What?
You can hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Now
Ask.
I can.
What do birds have instead of teeth?
What do birds have instead of teeth?
They don't have teeth.
Yes, what do they have instead of teeth? They have a beak, Noor. Noor, what's wrong, Noor? Okay. Any question?
No. No.
It's an easy lesson.
Yes.
Easy.
Okay. We're done for today, but listen, please. Abdul Halim is here. Raneem, any question? Jude Fawaz, Brahim. Okay, so we're done for today. Make sure that you solve the quiz carefully. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.